So hey guys, I'm back with a brand new episode of the Photoshop tutorial series. So this episode is the fourth episode. Today I'm going to teach you all about the other three tools, and it will be interesting for you all guys. Before watching these videos, make sure to watch my first episode, second episode, and the third episode. The links for those three videos are down in the description. And if you want to be a creative tech man like a Photoshop designer or high quality video editor, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell and leave a thumbs up and a comment to my video. Now let's get into the tutorial. Okay guys, now before I'm using Photoshop, the Photoshop CC 2019, you can use 2020 and 2020 bigger versions if you like, no problem. Now I'm going to open Photoshop. Now I have imported a man with some pimples from shutterstock.com, and today I'm going to teach you. I forgot to tell about the tools that I'm teaching for you. The tools are healing brush tool, and the clone stand tool. And this the healing brush tool is a little bit something like a healing something to teach. This is the perfect image to teach you all or teach you all guys about those three tools. Okay, now if you want to use the same image, the image for the link for the image is down in the description. You can use this image or you can get some image from Google. Okay, now first time teach you where is the spot healing brush tool. The spot healing brush tool is down the eyedropper tool, and the spot healing brush tool shortcut key is J. Right, you guys can see it's like something like a plaster or something like that. Just click it. Okay, now you guys can see the cursor has been converted to a circle. So I need to remove these pimples from the man and make the man's face clear. Okay, now for that the perfect tool is spot healing brush tool. Okay, now first I'm going to zoom the image. The way to zoom is Control plus. Okay, now I have zoomed the image. Okay, I'm going to zoom it a little bit. Okay, now if you this is the brush. If you want to, if you want to increase the size of the brush, you can increase. I'm using 27, and I need a hard brush because soft brushes are the round of this soft brush are a little bit blur. I need to remove these pimples with the hard brush space. You can adjust these the way you like. I'm going to use the size as 27, hardness 100%, and spacing 25%, and you can change the angle. I'm going to do as the default angle, roundness 100%, and pen pressure you need to put the pen size as pen pressure. Okay, now now I'm exiting from the settings of the spot healing brush tool. Now the way to remove those pimples is take the brush and take brush. Okay, now you need to brush on those pimples. Okay, now you guys can see the pimples are removed by the spot healing brush tool. That was great. If you all are editing some images with pimples or some mud on the shirt, you can remove them using the spot healing brush tool. Okay, now I'm going to remove the others as well. Okay. Yeah, so these small edges, there are pimples in the small edge. For that I can't remove because the vertex also get erased. For that I'm going to make the size a little bit low and the hardness like this. Okay. Now it's great. Now okay, I'm removing this. Okay, great. This one as well. Like that, you can remove the image pimples easily by clicking. Okay, great. Now you guys can see there are no pimples on the man's face. Now the man's face is beautiful. Beautiful. You guys can see. Oh, there are a little bit. I'm going to remove them as well. Okay, great. Now all the pimples are removed. That hope you all understand what does the spot healing brush do. Okay, now now I have done the job by the spot healing brush tool. Now let's talk about the healing brush tool. It's also a part of the image. Now like that. The shortcut key for the spot healing brush tool is J same. Now first I'm going to undo the pimples and take the pimples back. Okay, I took a few pimples back. Now I'm going to zoom in my image. Now I'm going to take it. Okay, now the healing brush tool does like take if you take the color from the image and heal the spots. That's the spot healing brush tool does that. Now first I'm going to the thing do is I need to copy some pimples in the blank area. For that I'm going to I am pressing one of the pimples by clicking Alt. You guys can see when I click Alt then the cursor changed. Now I'm going to put the pimples. You guys can see we can put pimples like that. Okay, now if you all guys need to remove those pimples, you all guys can do from the spot healing brush tool, or you all guys can see do from the healing brush tool as well. Now I'm pressing Alt again. Now I'm taking a copy from the blank area. Okay, now I'm going to fill those pimples using that color. Now you guys can see the pimples disappear because the pimples are removed because of the copy of the blank area. Now that tool is kind of interesting. That also worked great like that. Okay. That's great. Hope you understand about the healing brush tool. Now I'm not going to talk about the patch tool, content aware move tool, and the red dye tool. Now I'm going to talk about the brush tool. This brush means like some color, something color. Okay. Now you need to color. Wait, I'm going to change my background color as black. You guys can see the foreground color is white. Then we can paint the face from white. That's also great. Now you guys can color the thing using black when the foreground color is black. There's a short way to change the color, like black to white and white to black. Change the background and foreground colors. You need to do is click X. After I click X, you guys can see the black went to the background color and the white went to the foreground color. Now when I color, you guys can see the black area is colored by white. That the brush tool does that. Okay, now I'm going to undo this. The way to undo is Control Z. Okay, now another interesting thing is okay. Now that's great. That does the brush tool does that. Now let's talk about the pencil tool. The pencil tool can draw something like this. It's a similar tool for the brush tool. You can reduce the size of the brush like this, and I'm going to use soft ground pressure. Then it's thin. We can brush thinner. Actually, this tool is great for art, digital artwork. That is great. The pen tool can only draw and make an art. That the pencil tool does that. Then the last, I'm going to undo these as well. Then the last tool is clone stamp tool. The clone stamp tool is way similar to the brush tool. Okay, now I'm going to take the pimples here. Okay, like that. Now I'm going to take a copy from the blank area. The same way is you need to click this blank area while clicking Alt. Okay, now now let's make the colors, make the pimp. Oh, wait a minute. You guys can see the color is a little bit dark. Then I'm going to get a definite source point. Okay, now you guys can see it's a little bit black, but you can remove them as well. Okay, the clone stamp tool does that. I think it's like that. Clone means some duplicates from another original one. You can create clones. Wait a minute, I'm going to show another one. You can see the parts of the lips are in the man's face. The face look awkward. like that you can do you can do work using the clone stack too. So that's all for today. I explained about the main basics about those three tools. Um, so that's great. Hope you understand this tutorial. And before I end this video, make sure to follow my Instagram account. It says tutorials and creations. It's down in the description. The link for the Instagram account, you can follow me as well. Okay, now that's all for today. Hope before I'm ending this video, I'm telling again, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave a thumbs up for the video. Now I'm going to end this tutorial, and I will bring the episode 5 another day. Stay tuned for that video. So bye guys.